Hey guys, this is Danny here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I wanted to show you this beautiful Q25 Bennington that we just got in. It's the metallic sorrel. It's got a lot of real nice colors to it with the blackout package. Such a sleek looking body. Also with the electric bimini top. Makes it nice and easy to pull into lower areas like a bridge or a dock or anything. Come on around back, let me show you this. This boat has the swing back package, so it has the nice lounge in the back, great for hanging out in the cove. Powered with a 300 V8 Mercury, plenty of power. Come on up the stairs here, and I'll show you inside. Up here in the front of the bow of the boat, you got these nice chase loungers here with plenty of storage all the way around underneath. One thing you'll see about Bennington is everything is channeled, and all the water, if anything, falls down and drains out the boat. You've got nice movable cup holders here as well with an armrest. I'll show you that with a phone charger that you can strap in there too as well. Moving back here to the helm, it's got the nice raised helm with the new Vivid Dash system. You got your 3 screens here, nice, easy, and it's great technology. Nice full captain's chair here as well with the DTS and electronic shifter there. You have the L-shaped couch here as well, like I said, with the swing back, so you can ride back here in the, you can actually park back here and hang out in the back and just ride up here in the front here. So if you want any more information about this boat, please visit us here at MarineMax in Greenville.